Hi, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Farihan Cik Yusof from UiTM Puncak Perdana. In this video, I will explain about decision metric in decision theory. Before we start, I will brief about decision metric. Decision metric is a decision-making tool and method that assesses and prioritizes a list of options. At first, a list of weighted criteria is formulated, and each option is assessed against that criteria. The options are listed as a row on the table and the factor as columns. A decision matrix typically manifests in the shape of a grid, where the different factors and options are along each vertex. A decision matrices are popular tools among business leaders, but anyone can use this tool to help them make a more informed decision. There are two types of decision matrix, which is the first one is a single criterion decision analysis. The overall goal is entirely depending on the single criterion. The second one, multiple criteria decision analysis. The overall goal depends on two or more criteria. Example give is weighted decision metric. Here, we focus on weighted decision metric. There are several steps in weighted decision metric, such as the first one is identify alternative. Decision maker identify all possible alternatives based on nature of problem. The second one, state of nature. Identify factor that can be influence the preference of alternative. The third one is assign weight. Assign interval utility to state of nature of factor according to which are equally important, less or more important than others. The fourth one is design scoring system. Design interval utility range, for example, 1 to 5 or 1 to 3, and clearly understand what the scores represent. The next one is rate the alternative. Tabulate alternative and state of nature. Assign a score for each alternative against the possible state of nature. The utility score is based on the decision maker personal judgment or feeling. The last one, total the scores. Multiply the score for each decision criterion by its weight, then total the score for each alternative and analyze the result. Here, I will show the example of the decision metric. Figure 1 shows a decision metric used by the customer service team at the Arusha restaurant to decide which aspect of overall problem of long wait time to tackle first. The problem they identify are customer waiting for the host, the waiter, the food, and the check. Criteria they identify are customer pain, which is how much does this negatively affect the customer, is to solve, effect on the system, and speed to solve. Originally, the criteria is to solve was written as difficult to solve, but the wording reversed the rating scale, which the current holding a high rating on each criterion define a state that would encourage selecting the problem, high customer pain, very easy to solve, high effect on the system, and quick solution. Customer pain has been weighted with 5 points, showing the team consider it by far the most important criterion, compare 1 or 2 points for the others. The team choose a rating scale of high is 3, medium is 2, and low is 1, and use it for the problem. Customer wait for food. In this example, the customer pain is medium, which is 2, because the restaurant ambience is nice. This problem would not be easy to solve, which is low is. As it involves both waiter and kitchen staff, the effect on the system is medium, because waiter have to make a several trip to the kitchen. Solving the problem will take a while, which is low speed is 1, and the kitchen is cramped and inflexible. Rating is multiplied by the weight for the criterion. For example, customer pain, which is weight of 5 for customer weight for hose, rate height, which is 3 for a score is 15. The scores are added across the roll to obtain a total for each problem. Customer weight for hose has the highest score at 28. Since the next highest score is 18, the hose problem probably should be addressed first. Regarding to the example, we can say that information about state of nature can influence how we perceive the likelihood of an outcome. If the decision maker have sufficient information that make him or her confident of the outcome of the alternative, then this is called decision making under certainty. If the decision maker is unsure and have no idea how the outcome will turn out to be, which is due to insufficient information, then it is a decision making under uncertainty. Here, you can see the result of decision making under certainty and decision making under uncertainty. Here, we can conclude that a decision matrix is a tool used to assess and choose the best option among different choices. It analyzes several options using multiple criteria with varying level of importance. By outlining the benchmark and weighting them in order of importance, teams can pursue the best course of action. A decision matrix helps in ensuring objectivity in decision making, providing a clear outline of the option available, quickly eliminating non-viable choice, prioritizing crucial factor and tasks within the pros and cons of each option, and solving problem logically. That's all for now. Thank you so much.